Hi, Topper Chef back again. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make pork vindaloo. Okay, this is the recipe for a fast vindaloo. This is 2 pounds of pork. I'm marinating it with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of our chili paste, which is on our recipe board, and some vinegar. So this is the basic recipe for marinating vindaloo, and we're going to marinate it for at least 1 day. Okay, so this is nice and spicy. We gotta let it sit for 1 day. The vindaloo, basically vinegar with chili and garlic. This is a fast recipe. Okay, so for this, we're gonna use a big pan because that's almost 4 pounds of meat, and 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so once this oil is hot, my pan was really hot, and so I'm going to add my meat to it. And saute the meat really well. Saute the meat really well on high heat, so it browns really nice. This was a marinated meat which had, little of the chili, turmeric, which is really high, so we can saute this and brown this well. Oh, it smells really nice. Okay, so now it's 2 minutes. I've browned my meat really well, a bit. And to this, I'm going to add my dry spices, the garam masala, the coriander, the cumin, all that stuff here. And this will be on our recipe. We've made a vindaloo recipe before. This is the fast way to make it. Okay, this is how they make it in restaurants. So that's why I want to do it back again. So people ask for this recipe, our fans ask for this recipe back again. So this is the fast way of making everything. Okay, now you can see we've browned the spices really well, so the spices go in the meat. It was already marinated in this. This is the key to this. Everything has to be dry. Now we have our ginger paste, a garlic paste, lots of garlic, because why? It is Vindaloo. Vindaloo means garlic. Okay, now saute this with our onion paste also. And all our recipes are there on the iCards. When you click for the chili paste, for the onion paste, for the garlic paste, all those recipes are there. So you can always go to our channel, Topper Chef channel, and you can look at all those recipes there. Okay, so I put my onion paste, and now we're gonna brown it a little bit, and I'm gonna add my, what do you call, also my chili paste to it. Now our onion paste is already cooked, right? So we don't want to cook it more. It will cook well with the chili paste together. So this I'm gonna add. The recipe for our chili paste is there. 2, 3, 4, 5 of this chili paste, okay? Salt and pepper. Saute this good, mix it well. Okay, so now I'm going to add some water, not a lot because there's already onion and everything, and let it cook. Let the meat cook for half an hour at least. The meat will take to cook. Slow cook it for half an hour. I'm going to shut it now. Okay, so now it's 10 minutes for it to boil, so I've just stirred it, and I'm going to add my vinegar to this thing, about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. That's what it is. Vindaloo is vinegar. Has to be there. Give that tartiness to this gravy, and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You always have to have sugar when you add little of this chili, because you don't want food to be very hot so that you cannot consume it. Yes, Vindaloo is supposed to be hot, but it has to have that balance where, okay, it's been about 25 to 30 minutes and it's been cooking covered, and you can see we got the aroma of the Vindaloo cooking all over the house, and you can see now. I'm gonna just stir it a little bit, and this is how much it takes for it to thicken up and to become nice. We can even get it a little more thickened, but I think it is cooked and it's great right now. So this is our Vindaloo recipe. If you like it, of course, subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel, and look at the iCards for all the recipes always. And this looks amazing. Great. Okay, so this is a taste test for our Vindaloo, the pork Vindaloo. Let me taste it. Every time I eat a pork Vindaloo, it brings me childhood memories. This is flavor I like to eat every day. Join us on Pinterest, like us on Facebook, and of course, subscribe to our Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!